back again, have a little unboxing. It's just a really quick one again. There's going to be some paintings coming up because of that Diamond Art Club clearance sale they had, but, you know, yeah. Alright, anyway, you probably recognize this. It's another Archer's Arts unboxing. More color of the month. I got another big tray and another mini tray. So, this is the Candy Apple color of the month for September. And it is red with like a gold shimmer. And while I'm looking at these, which are gorgeous, by the way, I mean, really, that, like, you can't really see the gold shimmer on camera, but they're really nice. I'm going to talk a little bit about things I like and don't like about the Archer's Arts trays. Clearly, I liked them enough to buy, or to buy 2 more, though part of that is because of this gorgeous color. So the thing that I'm running into with these trays is that because of the texture of the 3D print, and this is just because it's a 3D print. Like, it does have a little bit of texture. It's not anything that they are doing badly with the design, because I actually like this part of the design and everything, but I'm finding, and it could just be my color from last month, because I'm noticing that the texture in this one is slightly different. So we're going to try these and see what happens, but I'm finding that my drills bounce way more than I want to, especially when I'm shaking them around or dumping them in. Like, they just bounce a lot. And it's good that they have the tall sides, but when I'm like shaking it to get them, you know, lined up, and then, you know, tapping it a little bit to get them to slide down, I'm finding that they're not sliding as easily as I would like. So when I'm using, you know, when I'm doing like big paintings and things like that, I'm finding that I'm sticking with my big giant white tray that I got for $2 from Hurricane. However, you know, your mileage may vary. A lot of people really like these. This one specifically, the mini tray, I got to take to work because right now I'm just using a Diamond Art Club tray, which is fine. It's totally fine. But I wanted something a little bit more neat, and I like the spout on these for pouring drills back into things, and I can just like cover it up completely with my hand and still be able to pour it out. So that's one of the things there. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you guys too much longer because honestly I am exhausted. This week has been insane. Anyone else feel that way this first week of October? Like, it's been terabad. It's just been like one thing after another. Well, we found out that my partner's going to be losing his job at the end of the year because they're closing down their entire division that he's in. It's going to be fine, so you don't need to worry. Like, he's going to find another job where it's going to be okay. But, like, that's never a good thing to find out. The other thing is, let's see, what else did happen? I missed my therapy appointment yesterday because I, for some reason, got mixed up, thought it was today. And, like, yesterday, I stayed late for work yesterday thinking, okay, I've got to make up my hours that I'm going to be gone, so I'll stay late. And yesterday was the day I should have left early for my appointment. So, completely jacked that up, just like my brain is going crazy. Our landlord for the center, the LGBT center that I work with, their boiler went out, so we don't have heat until they fix it, and it looks like it's going to be like 3 weeks till they fix it. So we had that big snowstorm this past weekend, and it's already getting kind of like too cold to not have heat. So there's that. That's fun. today, and this is relatively minor compared to stuff, but like today my yogurt exploded in my lunchbox. Picture here. That was super fun. You know, and I know I'm not the only one that's having that kind of week, but it's just like one thing after another, and I can't wait for it to be over. I'm hoping that it calms down. Like, seriously. Really want it to calm down. On the good side, these are gorgeous. The red with the shimmer is nice. The downside is, of course, by the time you guys see this video, since I've bought these like literally the last day or two when they were available, you can't get these anymore. But the October color is candy corn, which is a temperature change one, which is kind of cool. So if you are into the colors of the month, check them out. I'll link them down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to see more of my videos, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to get notified when I add more videos. I will see all of you on the flip side, and feel free to leave a comment. Bye-bye.